Today, I'm so excited to share one of my favorite recipes with you, kidney beans and sweet potato patties. All right, let's get started. First, take one medium sweet potato, poke it with a fork a few times, and bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. While that's baking, we're going to prepare a refreshing cucumber dip to go with our patties. Let's start by cutting the cucumber in half and grating it. Cucumbers are so hydrating, loaded with vitamin K and antioxidants that are great for your skin and overall health. Once grated, squeeze out the excess water, but don't throw it away. This cucumber water makes an amazing, natural face toner. Next, in a mixing bowl, take non-dairy yogurt and mix it with grated garlic, a pinch of salt, olive oil, and some chopped coriander. Add grated cucumber to the mix and stir it all together. And there you have it, a creamy, tangy dip that pairs beautifully with our patties. Set it aside while we move on to the star of the show. After about 45 minutes, your sweet potato should be soft and ready. Carefully cut open the skin. Scoop out the sweet, creamy pulp. Sweet potatoes are a powerhouse of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, great for your eyes and immune system. Mash the pulp with help of a fork until it is smooth. Set the pulp aside for now. Now take 1 cup of boiled kidney beans. Leave a few whole beans for decorating and mash the rest of them with a potato masher until mostly smooth. Kidney beans are another nutritional gem. They're rich in protein, fiber, and essential minerals like iron and magnesium. Now, mix the mashed beans with the sweet potato pulp and add 1 finely chopped onion and ½ cup of oats powder, 1 minced jalapeno, 1 garlic clove grated, a handful of chopped coriander, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, ½ teaspoon of smoked paprika, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and finally the salt to taste. Give everything a good mix. The oats not only bind the patties together, but also add a lovely crunch. Plus, they're loaded with soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol and keeps your heart healthy. If your mixture feels a bit too soft, you can add more oats powder or even some gluten-free breadcrumbs. But I'd recommend sticking with oats to keep the carbs lower. Shape the mixture into patties. You can go with round, square, or even long shapes. It's totally up to you. Decorate them with whole beans. These whole cooked beans give a fantastic crunch. Pro tip, if you're prepping ahead, refrigerate the patties for up to 24 hours. This helps them firm up and hold their shape better during cooking. Now it's time to cook these beauties. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan. Toast the patty for all sides until they are golden and crispy. For a healthier option, bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. Either way, they'll turn out irresistibly good. Now is the time to serve. Serve your patties warm alongside the cucumber dip. You can enjoy them with a side salad, in a burger bun, or even with a dollop of guacamole. They're incredibly versatile and perfect for any occasion. These patties are not just a meal, they're a celebration of wholesome, plant-based ingredients. I hope you give them a try and love them as much as I do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious vegan recipes. See you next time, and happy cooking!